Good morning, officer. I'd like to report a defamation act on postings of Instagram by Fahmi Reza 450.
May I see?
He apparently made a picture of the young Pertuan Agong, but edited to make it look like the villain from Powerpuff Girls, the Mojo Jojo guy. I think this goes against our laws, I think.
Yes, come in.
Fahmi Reza, you're under arrest for violating the Sedition Act law. Any use of the use against you. You have the right to remain silent.
I didn't do anything! I'm not guilty!
Okay.
Good evening for all in attendance, including the witnesses, the accusers, Fahmi Reza, and the solicitor for the prosecution and defense. Encik Fahmi Reza, referring to the accusation lodged against a satirical poster that reportedly broke the laws of communication and multimedia and sedition. You were charged for publishing a poster that allegedly insult the Pertuan Agong under the Communications and Multimedia Act and the Sedition Act. To the charge, do you plead guilty?
As Fahmi Reza defense lawyer, I wish to prove that he had no intention of offending the young Pertuan Agong. The poster is a form of art expression protected by the Constitution under the right to free speech. Fahmi Reza created the artwork to make a social and political statement, not to insult anyone. The poster was misunderstood or taken out of the content. We can prove the testimonies from people who understand the message behind the artwork or proving that the poster's real purpose was to express opinion through art, not to harm or disrespect anyone.
Next, I allow the prosecution a chance to speak any critics you may have to the problems you report.
I object, Your Honor, because the young Pertuan Agong is thought to be offended by the poster. Fahmi Reza's actions are serious and illegal as they violate the laws of safeguarding the dignity of the royal establishments. Fahmi Reza may not have been meant to offend, but the poster's effect clearly demonstrates that the young Pertuan Agong is being insulted. However, the right of free expression cannot be used as an excuse for actions that are obviously illegal and against the law and societal standards, which safeguard the honor and dignity of the royal institutions. They could offer proof that the poster transgresses pertinent legal and societal norms. Fahmi Reza's intentions are meaningless if the poster flagrantly breaches the young Pertuan Agong's rights, because there is no context that can excuse insulting him. If we observe that the parts of the posting openly and naturally disrespect the young Pertuan Agong.
As I clarified, it's more of social or political critique rather than an empty or offend the young Pertuan Agong. He didn't mean to offend or bring the royal institution into the disrepute. Every artist holds a vital role in a question, challenging and critical and power in society. Simply put, artists' work include play or crucial part in upholding and free speech. The protest argument is subjective and doesn't prove that the artwork carry a negative or harmful intention. The legal action taken against Fahmi could set a dangerous
Well, this court has carefully reviewed all of the material that has been submitted and both sides' argument. It is evident from the pertinent circumstances and the law that the accused committed the offense as specified. As a result, the court applied the proposed sentence in accordance with the law. In light of this, the defendant was found guilty of the accusation brought against him and given a sentence in accordance with Communication and Multimedia Act 1880, Multimedia Act of 1998, Section 2331A, after it was determined that Fahmi had uploaded abusive, indecent, or threatening content online. He was fined 30,000 ringgit and given a 1-month prison sentence. There will be more jail time if the fine is not paid. So, the court is adjourned.
I want to be silent, Doctor.